Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KN Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So in the last video, I was working on writing PHP PHP script for the cancellation of ticket in the cancellation.php file, but was unable to complete due to lack of time. So from this video onwards, actually only in this video I will try to complete the rest of it. So follow me from line number 156 inside cancellation.php file. Now we will have for each loop. Okay, and there will be seat number as a variable and as a value. Like for loop, there is also a for each loop in PHP having no conditions. Okay. Inside a for each loop, we will have update seat number query as a PHP variable, seat number query that store the SQL query that I am going to right now provide you. Okay, update bus seats set status equal to not booked, comma where bus name that is equal to dollar bus name and seat number is equal to dollar seat number. Actually seat number should be the value. Okay, so remove the seat number by the value, replace this seat number by the value, and after that, okay, this is all about this query. Now fire this query and store the result into a variable called update seat number query result, and fire this query using MySQL query method and update seat query. If this variables returns true, then we will have $J++. That's it. Now delete ticket admin query. Ticket admin query. After the completing of this part of the code, I will tell you why we are using these codes. Okay, so don't worry all about that, I will tell you later after showing the output of the code. Delete ticket admin query, delete from ticket details, where ticket number that is equal to ticket number. Okay, now like we did before. Okay, like we did before for the update sheet number query, okay, we will do this. We will store the ticket admin query result. MySQL query $con $ticket, so delete admin query. Okay, if delete ticket admin query result variables returns true, query result returns true, then we will have nothing. Okay, and after that if $j is equal to $total seats, if it is so, then we will have echo seat cancel. Okay, now save it. Control S. Now we are going to perform the delete operations or cancellation of ticket. So for this, come to our main website where we can perform the same. System is very slow, I think. What the hell? Okay, we need to go for cancel ticket 139. Still the error is coming. Unexpected token, line number 139. So login first, because we need to log in for cancelling my ticket or any user ticket. So here we go, cancel ticket. Okay, there is some problem in GUI. Okay, we will solve this later. First let's make confirm cancellation of ticket. Okay, and for this we need to go to our database for the ticket number. Okay, bus book TV. Bus seats. Okay, we will delete this ticket L3 and L4. Control C, Control V, cancel ticket. Okay, undefined variable on. So let me check what is the error that is coming. Yes, actually I did not include my configuration file into our configuration.php file, so I need to do that first. Configuration.php. Now again perform the same operation. Control V, cancel, but nothing is visible, so I think ticket is not cancelled. Okay, we will perform the same operation in next video. So thank you, see you in next video. Stay tuned with us and don't forget to watch my next video, because this in that video I will show the output how to cancel ticket by performing runtime cancellation operation. Thank you.